Hello everyone. So here's the 3-digit number number lock set of 2, and it cost 73 rupees plus 19 rupees shipping charge. I purchased it from shopclues.com, as you can see, and it was shipped via e-com express. First of all, let me tell you that I was totally disappointed by the packaging of all the ShopClues products that I have received till now, as compared to Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. This packaging is not as good. Anyways, let's unbox this and see what's inside. For that, let me try again this knife. Hopefully it will perform better this time. No, it doesn't work. I purchased this knife from ShopClues as well. Cheap products, so you can't expect them to work too good. So here's the product. $73 plus 19, 92 rupees. And here are the two locks. One looks like this and the other one black. Here are the two locks. Number lock, as you can see, they have three these things, number locks. It says resettable combination padlock. It's a Chinese product. You can see some instructions here. Actually, they have around 5 kinds of locks. These are the two I received. So let's open them. Quality, as expected, is very bad. You can't expect good quality from extremely cheap products. This is the second one. I will try out these two locks and, if possible, show you how to use them. Meanwhile, thank you very much for watching this video.